So since the price of Bitcoin right now is flashing us a very interesting scenario, I am sure you guys want to find out in which trend direction the price of Bitcoin might be possibly heading. Is it going to be a bullish continuation pattern because we have broken out of some of the key line of resistance, or is it going to result in a false breakout before choosing an actual trend direction? What to expect next? So as you can see guys, I have prepared some interesting charts pointing us where the price could be possibly heading. So before I do that, please do me a favor and destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this are the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, like always, to those individuals who are still unaware about this free 500 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, and in addition to that another 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then definitely check the video description. Now let's start with this very interesting scenario. I mean, using this Bollinger Band in a daily time frame, we can see the price of Bitcoin for the coming days is expected to be bullish. Why bullish? Because we have managed to break out of this upper band, and in history, right, in past price action, we have found out whenever the price of Bitcoin breaks out of upper band, it usually results in a very bullish move. And in our case, if you look at it carefully, yes, we have broken out of this upper band, but this upper band for now will be also acting as resistance. Yes, you heard that correctly guys. This resistance, the upper trend line from this Bollinger Band, will be acting as resistance. So in case of few shakeout like this, where are we expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted before continuing with this actual bullish move towards this signal line or the central line? Yes guys, this central line which sits around 63,000 might be attracting us before starting with an actual bullish move, because just like from this past price action, you can see during uptrend, any sort of a pullback, the central line, the signal line has acted as a very strong line of support for Bitcoin. So same thing could be happening here. Even if the price fakes out, even if we see another false breakout, please do not panic. That might be just a temporary pullback before expecting another continuation here like this, because parallelly you can see the price has also managed to come across one of the most important line of resistance, the resistance from this July CPR, top central bottom CPR line, which was in between 63,000 to 65,000. So in the medium short term, if the price starts showing weakness, if the price gets attracted towards this center line, then you can see along with the center line support, we also have support from this CPR indicator, July CPR indicator, and price after some small pullback liquidating the over leverage longs is expected to show another continuation here to the upside, because remaining above the CPR line means the upcoming month is also going to favor the longs. Yes guys, this is a very bullish scenario what is unfolding right now here now price action. And now, even if we look at this in a very simple way, I mean using this Williams alligator indicator, RSI, T3, CCI, and MACD, because according to these indicators to the downside, the price of Bitcoin could be preparing itself for another continuation here to the upside. Yes guys, RSI is clearly flashing us a bullish divergence which is playing out perfectly. MACD has also turned bullish, T3, CCI also in a positive territory, resulting in a bullish crossover in our Williams alligator indicator. And just like from this past price action, you can see whenever you see this green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, it has resulted in a very bullish move in price action of Bitcoin. So same thing is expected here as well. In our case, green line is at the top, blue line is at the bottom, which is a bullish confirmation. So any sort of a pullback, this Williams alligator indicator again around 64,000 will be acting as additional support along with this CPI indicator, along with this signal line or the center line from this Bollinger Band, before starting with another continuation here to the upside. Because so far after this false breakout, the price of Bitcoin is doing very similar to this example. I mean, after this false breakout, you can see after liquidating the over leverage long, we started with a bullish move, and same thing could be happening here in our case as well. So in case of fake outs, please do not panic. That might be very short-lived. And now, not just only that, even with the help of this rising channel upside breakout, yes guys, this rising channel, doesn't matter if you switch this into 4-hour daily time frame, you can see we are following this rising channel. This rising channel for us is going to be considered as line of support and resistance. I mean, upper line is considered as resistance, lower line is considered as support. So if we are going to see another continuation like this, then even with fake breakout, we are still expecting Bitcoin to show another move like this. I mean, after this false breakout, right, we are still expecting this to play out as a rising channel with upside breakout. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys, because parallelly, we are also aware the price of Bitcoin is following this right angle broadening bottom pattern, and I've been talking about this since ages. When the price of Bitcoin was testing the resistance around the 61,000, I was there. I was shouting on top of my lungs saying, we will be turning parabolic once the 60,000 resistance gets broken, which it did. We broke out of this 60,000 resistance line, even came back to retest it, and after that started with this actual bullish move. And now if we compare this right angle broadening bottom pattern, you can see, guys, the upcoming days is going to be bullish because our price opportunity from this bullish continuation pattern sits around 70,000, 71,000. Yes, guys, 70,000, 71,000 will be looked as our upcoming target for Bitcoin, because it's not just only the price target from this right angle broadening bottom pattern, but it's also the price target from this descending broadening wedge. Yes, guys, this descending broadening wedge is another bullish continuation pattern for Bitcoin, which is playing out right now with price objective again around 70,000, 71,000. So you can see, looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, all are pointing us the upcoming days for Bitcoin is slowly turning bullish, and it also looks like it might be not just only testing the 70, 71,000, but could go even higher to make a new all-time high, because parallelly, even this falling channel pattern, another bullish continuation pattern, is lining up for Bitcoin. And this also points us that 70, 71,000 could be attracting us. But in our case, looking into different scenarios, there is a possibility of price not just only testing 70, 71,000, but also making a new all-time high. And now, beside all of these bullish scenarios, even with the help of this descending broadening wedge in a weekly time frame, in a bigger picture, you can see the upper trend line, which in the past price action rejected us a couple of times, could be acting as magnet. And this upper trend line, right, this upper trend line is also somewhere around 70, 71,000, which is attracting us for the medium short term. So first 70, 71,000 could be attracting us, and only after that the price is expected to show an actual direction. But I personally think once the price tests the resistance around 70, 71,000, it will be another breakout, another bullish continuation to make a new all-time high for Bitcoin. So this is what I see looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame using different scenarios. If you enjoyed my vlog, please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals who have not claimed this free 500 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, and in addition to that another free 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then definitely check the video description, because this event is temporary. If you are an experienced trader, if you want to take advantage of this market volatility and trade with free money, then the time to act is now. So by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.